So we've got Faris.
Got a trampoline on my head.
Yes, indeed.
Trampoline. We gonna hop in this pond.
We're going back to the abandoned pond. And then you've got me, start of the vlog. Alright, we're about 5 miles into the journey. We're almost there. We've got a couple bikers down there. Faris still walking on the trampoline with his head. Looking stupid as always. Hello.
Hi.
Alright guys, mile 18 into the hike. Faris is still going with the trampoline on his head. Gosh, this is a long walk. We've been walking for like 2 hours now.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
And the pond, we finally made it. Alright, we found some peasants at my pond. And there's some people working over there. Yo, keep it down! I think we're about to go kick them out because I don't know why they're at it.
Okay,
like
so
50 pounds on my head, bro. This is so heavy.
Okay, so we're walking back right now because the village is working on the dock where we hop off of. I think we're just gonna be coming back in like 20-30 minutes. They can't be taking that long. So
yeah, because why are they at our property, bro?
we're gonna have to walk all 18 miles back.
I know. Bro, I'm having the time of my life. We're back. Back in black.
Oh, this is a horrible idea.
It's a great idea.
You got me the frame? Yep. I'm going in. Dude, we're going! Hop in.
This man. Should go over there. Free polo slide for anyone who wants it. Get your phone!
No, I'm
Faris.
not taking it. Stop.
Faris, get your phone!
You play too much.
Ready? Faris! This man. Faris!
Stop. No. Okay, so I just got out of the water after freaking through my slides in the water. What a genius. So right now Nate's gonna be coming over, so the next scene that you guys see, you're an idiot. You just threw water at my butt. But next thing you guys should see should be all of us with Nate. Alright, so Nate just got here. We're all here now. Some kids down there, they want to come over here with us.
I gotta learn how to flip.
Brink out here, he got himself this cut right here. We also got ourselves a trampoline to be jumping off of.
That is nuts.
Bro, my shorts are so wet. Alright guys, so they're eating and they have an ice cream machine right there. So me and Nate are gonna take some on the way out.
Okay, so we all just finished eating right here. Nate, what did you think of the meal? What did you think of the meal? Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, Nate doesn't respond to the vlogs anymore. So right now.
I'll tell you what I thought. Out of 10, there's like a solid 7.625.
Okay, and right now we're about to get some donuts.
Can I get two?
Hello, I'm Claire.
Big fans.
Big fans we are.
That's
We're
sick.
big fans of you.
We're in this staircase. It's pretty cool looking.
That's what I'm saying. It's like that shit. Good staircase.
Oh, Fierce, did you get in there? Yeah. Wow, what they want, what they want. Dollar sign, yeah, it knows what they want. In the vlog? Vlog, just say hi. Are you sure? Alright.
Interview them.
Oh yeah, you guys want to be in the vlog. I know you do. In the vlog?
Sure.
Yeah, of course, I know. Alright. You have anything to say to the vlog? Anything or inspirational? Anything like
What is this for?
just school project.
About?
Just life.
Alright, in life you need friends. This is my friend Ashley.
This is my friend Jasmine.
Yeah. It's like cheesy commercial. I don't know. It's awkward. Nice camera though.
I don't know.
Oh, thank you.
Wait,
I got from Goodwill.
Oh,
Really? I thrift shop all the time.
Yeah, it's a pretty good store.
That's beautiful. You know who has the best quotes though?
Who?
Gio does.
Oh, Gio. Oh, my friend, his name's Gio. He just moved to San Antonio.
I just moved to San Antonio.
No, my other
Oh,
friend,
your boy Gio just moved to San Antonio?
Yeah.
That's cool, that's cool.
Yo, you got anything to say?
To Gio,
Yeah, sure. Has a good name?
keep it real.
Yeah, bro, keep it real. Face red. Yeah.
High five for good luck.
Here in my garage, I just copped a new pair of
1,000 senators. One animal.
guys. In my language, this says Faris the Explorer is the best alive. Sounds like a bandwagon to me. So currently, we are in Pleasantdale, North Africa, and there is Stephen Curry to my right, and probably the greatest explorer alive to my left. I'll show you guys them in a second. Skirt! Alright guys, so we're at Goodwill.
Show them this Goodwill product.
Well, yeah, I am.
Bro, we ain't
Just a little.
Oh, first look at the headband. The headband.
I just feel different when I walk in.
I think I'm gonna get this. It's like 20 cents.
What would you get that for exactly? I'm just curious.
I don't know. Fun.
I don't like this. Fierce.
You missed.
Alright, chill with that. Chill with that.
It smells good though.
Oh, it smells like Fruity Pebbles.
No, you should have sprayed the green one. The green one.
They got them.
I sprayed the green one. It smells so
Gucci
good.
like Converses.
Yeah.
Shout out to Tyler.
Tyler?
Yeah.
Man's, never mind.
You know, because he always calls that cringy.
Those are raw. 6, 7,
Guys, guess how much
$20,000.
guess how much this shoe is. Nate, show them the shoe.
Excuse me? What makes this shoe $2,300?
It's a Fendi.
So I got my new car. Dang.
Damn, she about to get her up. Took your hand out of my car. Let me like.